With 2 vaccine trials paused, we want to bring in our medical expert, Dr. Arnold Baskies of the Global Cancer Advisory Council, to help us understand what this means and also what's next. Dr. Baskies, thanks for being here.
My pleasure, Jim.
So how concerned should we be about these postponements? Is this a big deal or is this fairly common?
It's important that we realize that the trials have not been halted by regulators, but paused for analysis. There's a big difference. Here's what we need to be aware of. These pauses on these 2 vaccine trials are not at all uncommon or a cause for undue concern. Johnson & Johnson paused the clinical trial of its COVID-19 vaccine after a study participant developed an unexplained illness. Now, the illness may have been in the placebo group or in the vaccine group. We don't know which. And in every single clinical trial, vaccine or otherwise, it is very common to hit the pause button because in any trial, which literally involves tens of thousands of people, we expect that some people will develop an illness for reasons that are completely unrelated to the vaccine. So out of an abundance of caution, it makes sense to hit the pause button so that the study group can sort out whether the vaccine was the cause of the issue.
So here's the question. Could this possibly put us behind on that timeline to get a vaccine out by the end of the year or early in 2021?
The answer is yes. It depends on what the answer to the question is. What was the cause for this unexplained illness, what the unexplained illness was, and whether or not there's other reasons to be concerned.
All right, so we need to step back, take a deep breath, and let the companies do their testing. Thank you, Dr. Baskies.
You're welcome. Good evening.